So, dumating na kami dito sa Baybay at sa Bang Pier.
Our
At
gas is empty.
dun sa car, si Blackie, nag-warning na.
And then the gas station is closed. So we have to buy it on the container.
On the rocks.
Container on the Coke bottle.
Yes. If it's your first time seeing it ever, yon mag-aano siya.
Chin and Rowena's adventure.
Si ate natatawa kay Chin.
Kasi baka mas stranded kami. Iyak na kami kanina.
So wala pala sa Coke bottle.
It's not in the Coke bottle because they put all the 3 liters here and then we're gonna use the...
Hindi siya mantika.
It's not a mantika. It's a diesel gas, guys. And then we're gonna use a funnel and this is the funnel.
Paturong tayo kay Kuya. O sige, go. Balik na lang po ako sa sukle. Okay, game.
We're gonna put gas in our car.
Oh, wait lang. Hinaano ko.
Ano, ibabalak ba yan?
Makakarating naman kami hanggang sa next station na pinaka-next station.
Kung yan, ma'am, hindi lang po.
Hindi makakarating.
Puro pakyat mo kasi.
Oo nga.
Ma'am, ano pa yan? Automatic yan?
Automatic. Oh, wait lang. Oh, ayan
Dagdagan nyo
na.
lang, 2 litro, ma'am.
Dagdagan pa natin. Mamaya na.
2 litro. Pagbalik
Oh, sige, pagbalik.
Our car is thirsty.
First time namin ko itong gawin. Oh my God. Hoy, baka sumabog.
Hindi
Saro.
pa ako.
Si Blackie, kawawa naman. Ayan po.
That's the... Ay, bakit?
Ano?
Ayo, bubbles.
Bubbles lang.
Tagabilit lang yan.
Kulang to.
Kulang po yan, ma'am.
Makinig tayo dito sa mga van transport drivers. Alam
Yes.
nila yan.
Okay, dalawang
Kasi
kilo pa
mataas.
kuya.
Hill.
2 kilo, ha?
Hilly kasi.
2 kilo pa. Ay,
Liter.
hindi pa kuya, ha?
Sabi mo kay Manang, thank you po.
Isasara ko. Ay, sana.
Mamaya na. Keep it pa.
Wala po lang takipin yung pangkino?
Wala ba?
Wala po.
Meron yan eh.
Wala po. Pinang po yung ganyan kanina.
Oh.
Shoota ka!
Meron yun. Baka, yung, baka... Oh, go.
Saya.
Ayan na. Ayan na ang boat namin to the Kill.
The morning glory. Charot, morning 7.
It's not as busy now. It's August the 3rd. Ayan, going to the underground cave here at Sabang Puerto.
Suot po kayo ng life jacket.
Okay po. Ayan na guys. We are here at the Puerto Princesa sa
Dito kayo sa likod, dalawa.
Ayan, merong audio tour. Ayan na kami!
Huwag po kayo mag-alala, wala pa pong lumulubog sa mga...
Wala pa.
Sa malalim.
Dalawa po kayo mag-picture, tingin po dito.
Let's go, Sigo!
Wala pa? Last word.
Last word na.
Ano last word
Good luck. I hope we make it.
I love myself.
Oh.
And
I think being in Palawan, you'll have to do this at least once. Ayan, coming to this natural heritage park. Ayan, how big it is. This is my second time, but yeah.
second time nyo, ma'am.
Yes,
Ayan,
pero
mga-
that was long time ago yung first
By the way,
time.
sir, I'm your boatman at the 45 minutes. Pangalan ko po. Di kasi po pa sa tayo sa kanin ng river.
Wow.
Malutay.
Ayan na yung cave, guys.
Kuya, sabihin mo yung yung don't look up and don't open your mouth kasi it's not holy water, it's holy shit.
One of the 7 wonders of nature. Okay, everyone, ma'am, sir. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Woohoo! Oh my God, so many paniki.
Yan po yung mga lumilipad na maingay.
Are they edible?
Mga ibon po yan.
Mga?
Ibon
Ah, balin sa sayaw?
Hindi po.
Iba yun. Yung nest.
Bird.
Solo.
Bird lang.
Swallow bird.
Hindi na
So,
kaya
bird?
ng GoPro. Oh. I see.
Ay, sus, Mariosa.
Ayan na tayo, nasa loob tayo. We're inside this subterranean system of fear.
Sa left side, sila po yung grupo ng survivors.
Hello!
Survivors.
Bantot. Smells like soup.
So many bags there.
Yan po yung basketball. Bathroom.
Pungent. Bathroom. Bathroom.
Yan naman. Sa time lapse.
Where?
Yeah, maliliit.
Where?
That one.
I cannot see.
Yung yung itim.
Okay. Ah, I see. Oh Information here on the side.
Yes, I love the mangroves. They have 8 species of mangroves there.
Yes.
It's amazing.
And we need mangroves, more mangrove trees in the earth
Yes.
to protect the ocean. Guys,
Bangka mo dyan.
ayan, meron tayong mangrove tour. This bamboo. Ay. This is strong woman. Oh.
Ikaw muna.
Dito talaga ang kilala sa Tamilo.
Ang alam ko nga marami ng bakawan dito. Magandang ang bakawan.
Pero hindi sa downtown, sa bandang unahan. Oh. May crocodile ba dito?
Walang crocodile.
Pakitimulan mo na sa takot. Ngayon ko pa sa likod ko.
So, it's our tour. It's a 120 plan for the family tour. So, to see the wildlife of the river, snakes, monkeys, and monitors. But we don't have crocodiles.
Is that a snake?
Yeah, that's a mangrove
It's a
snake.
twig.
Yeah.
Is it alive? Hello.
Mangrove snake. Or,
Ah, mangrove snake.
Are they are they fatal?
yes, ma'am.
So they're venomous? Oh.
L'Oreal.
Tornad.
Bentuan? Did you see that?
I can see
Oh,
now.
right there,
This one, not this big one. I'll keep on.
Right, okay, that's right there.
So it's more
Sisters on the mangroves.
talaba po in Tagalog.
It's so cute. Food for the mangrove oyster or in the local name we call it.
Ano, wala na siya.
Hindi nandun pa rin. Tumalikod lang.
You know,
Ang lalaki talaga ng roots niya. Tinan mo, oh. Giant talaga na.
color something on the branch. There is my flower and inside of the flower. Mango tree is riding down the air. A wonderful one thing above of my friends and to my very smile. We multiply mango tree. All of us we shall plant nursery of fishes. Marine seafood are the best. Please don't cut and marine. We must love and carry. Salt is crab and fish.
High notes.
Hi, no?
Dami of the special test. Youngsters now are the best. Oyster are in all of them know the truth. We must love and carry.
Wala namang tummy look.
Support the livelihood in the source and
Basa na tayo.
Okay na nga, bilibilisan na. Huwag na kayo tayo kasi mapapagod nga kayo. Ako na.
Ayun na, malapit na tayo.
Yes. 100 pesos to. Bayaran niyo ka.
Malapit na. Oh, we're here.
Okay.
Hi! Good job, girl!
Yes!
Woo!
Ayun
Ito
na.
na, bubuksan ko yung... Oh,
Bubuksan.
Diesel, ah.
Diesel.
Crudo.
Crudo
Diyan
in
mo sa tatay,
Tagalog.
tinulungan tayo.
Ayan.
Hindi ko alam kung paano.
Pabalik.
Hoy, pabalik. Palaki yan.
Nice.
Ayan. Ayan. May embudo. Proper
Ito ang
yung embudo
tunay.
natin ngayon.
Uy. O, sige, ikaw muna sa una.
Natapakan mo bakla yung...
Ako na magawak, ma'am. Kayo mag-ano? Oh, sige.
Tapakan ko. Yuck. Sige.
Ayan. Wow. Amazing. Ang galing-galing na niya, oh. Yee.
Ayan. Kasi thirsty si Blackie. Careful lang dito, guys.
Yes.
Make sure it is what it is.
It is what it is.
What's for your car, it's for your car.
The gas station is closed here for like two weeks. Two weeks na, no?
na itong eco oil, they're useless.
It's not ecological.
Ay, kuya, sige, help me na lang. Thank you. Para makarating pa kami ng Port Barton.
Hindi na abot.
Oh,
Hindi na kayo mabitin.
hindi po naglagay na kami kahapon ng 3
Nagtatlong
liter.
litro.
Okay na yun.
Tapos parang
Makikita
Doon na lang kami sa Caltex Salvacion.
Ayun, dagdag kayo dun.
Oh,
Opo.
so,
Okay na yan. Kuya, maraming salamat.
thank
Salamat
you.
po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Blackie is in good shape na. Oh, huwag mong tapakan yun. Okay, so GoPro, stop recording.